Model, 2018 Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 115 SS 6PD MAN XS 1000 Enterprise. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,015. MOT, the 30th of June 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FCUA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors, sat-nav, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,995. Click the link in the description.